Hello everyone, my name is Nerea and I'm gonna be your coach for the future. Are you okay with that? Well, first of all I'd like to ask you, are you a negative person? Do you usually complain about everything? Did you know that you could change this by changing small things in your everyday? If you think so, just listen to me for a little bit. Do you think it is not possible? Well, I'll give you an example, a real example. I used to be so negative person. I used to think that everything was gonna be wrong. Like, I'm gonna fail this exam, I'm gonna have a bad luck in my next trip because, well, I didn't plan it properly, this is gonna be wrong, things are not right, I'm so stupid, I'm so shy. I used to be like that. I used to say this every day. What happened is, like, I got good advice from somebody and then they just said, like, why don't you try to change this vocabulary that you use every day, this negative thinking, into positive one. I was like, well, how to do that? Well, if you just try to change this sentence for positive ones, it can massively change. Your thoughts can massively change and your life will obviously change, because what you think is what you are and what you do. So as you said, I used to be very negative. How I became so smiley and positive and happy? Well, I just started changing my daily vocabulary. What means that you can just take few of the sentences you use every day, like, I'm not gonna be able to do this by, I'm gonna be able to do this, or like, I can't do this, I will be able to do this. But use the effort, use the enthusiasm you have inside to say, even if you don't believe in, I'm gonna be able to do this, just feel it when you say, even if you don't believe it, just say it again, I'm gonna be able to do this. Also, you could change the negativeness by using no for yes, yes, yes. Use the yes more often than usually. Also, there is a few words that we usually use, like, I will try to do this, I might try to do this, or I hope it will be like that. Stop doing that. Say, I will do this, I will get this, I will find this. With these basic tips, they're so strong, guys. Like, it is one of the most powerful tools you can use for every day, and you will put it in your subconscious mind that we will explain in a moment. Thank you. Why does it happen? Well, it happens because we've got the conscious mind and the unconscious mind. As we know, the unconscious mind works 24 hours per day, what means that everything we hear, everything we see is recording in our unconscious mind. So even when we are sleeping, everything we listen is going to be recorded. So what happens? If you can control your conscious mind and you can say positive things and use positive vocabulary, be optimistic, it will be recorded in your subconscious mind. What means that at the end of the day, after a few months, you're going to have it so strongly fixed in your subconscious mind that you're going to automatically be an optimistic and positive person. So just keep forcing yourself and saying positive things with the most enthusiasm you can, and you will get there. Okay guys, I know these tips are gonna be so useful for you, so believe in them and just use them and let me know how it went. Thank you, ciao!